Jordan, okay?
Jordan. Hey!
It's very important. Okay? Okay?
Hey!
Yeah, train speed. Your foot, bro. Focus to one point.
Hey! Set!
Okay? Remember, my foot okay. Okay?
Also say.
I'll show you. Just get. Yeah?
Also say.
It's okay, it's very important. Okay.
Could you repeat one more?
Also say.
Remember one thing?
Do your own. Okay? Not just full. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Also say.
Remember one thing? Let's fit like this. Yeah. Like this. Pull. Okay?
Also. Heian, 손!
Very good.
산!
Action. Wonderful.
산!
Wow. Good. Yeah, Max. Oh, excellent, bro.
버스!
Excellent, bro. Your speed is very good. Okay.
heian, 니안!
Yeah.
산!
Yeah. Pull back. Yeah. Senkusu, yeah. Tang tang.
산!
Yeah, Max. Control your breath.
어스! 산난!
Yeah.
산!
You close your foot, remember.
산!
Excellent. Yeah, Max. Okay, the next kata.
heian, 연안!
Kokutsu.
슛!
Very good.
산!
Very good. Excellent. Yeah, Max. I love it.
버스! Go down again.
Yeah, I would like to see you one more. Just one more. Okay? You can do it?
heian, 고안! 슛!
Yeah, put it.
슛!
Your body, remember, to be practical. Yeah, that's me.
Okay, Shodan.
Yeah, remember the key is power, speed, and constantly your jaji already. Yeah, remember your foot, bro. Yeah, that's me. You're right. Remember to be one line. Your yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's me. You're right. It's great. Yeah, Max. Yeah.
Os.
Okay. Would you like to repeat more, or you think enough?
Os.
Now we do the relaxation. Okay. Don't feel tired. Remember, don't feel tired. Every time we do the practice of karate, and when the finish, don't feel tired. Don't suggestion yourself. Oh, I'm tired because I'm so hard practice today. No, I'm more healthy because I'm practice today. That's
What's to say?
Okay. Okay. Before we close, we relaxation. Okay. Open your eyes. Rotate your head. We have energy. We have power. Okay. Your head. Relax. We have energy. We have the power. In first again. Our foot. It's like a swing. Okay. Front and backwards. Like a snake. Open your mouth. Breathe with our mouth. Stand up. And now, you pull down, you go sleep. I want to be relaxation to you. Your spirit. Okay. Don't feel anything. Okay, close your eyes. Right now we do the relaxation of our soul. Because the real karate is every time, every day, is train our technique karate and our soul too, to make our soul is more strong. Karate not just a physical contact and technique, but it's a soul too. A healthy soul and body. Okay, close your eyes. Right now, don't feel your body, don't feel yourself, don't feel anything. Without energy, just feel your smile. Now feel your smile. Feel you fly. Feel you flying. Very flying. And the universe feel just the bright. Just the bright. More bright again. You feel a smile to the universe. Feel a smile to the universe. You got the faithful. You got the wisdom. You got the more wisdom, more powerful, more happiness, more healthy, more again, feel until more smiling again, more smiling again, more again, more again. Feel yourself, you to be shine, you to be bright. Universe, feel yourself to be bright. Like the sun. Feel yourself. Now you do a smile. And feel the peaceful is real in our universe. Because when you feel the peaceful and smiling, more strong, you will get the wisdom, the peaceful, happiness, lucky, and all the positive things in your life. Okay. The feel sensation, you are in the sky with the all of bright, and until you smile, you get happiness, more smile, you get happiness, Feel the wisdom of universe. You will get the lucky or all everything you do in your life. You get the wisdom. You get the very wonderful vibration from today and the future. Yeah, feel again. The brightness is white. That makes your self is strong. Still smile. Still smile. Remember one thing. We are never tired. We are never weak. We always strong, but with a wisdom and peaceful. Feel smiling. Pull all energy of universe to be yourself. Pull all the brightness to be one point in yourself. More again, until you smile, more again. And I will comment you the 3 point. On the 3 point, you will open your eyes and feel your shot. 30. 1, 2, 3. Okay, open your eyes and you wake up. You feel better now? Yeah. I hope you. Yeah, you must feel better.
It's good meditation. Good
Yeah.
meditation.
Okay, right now we are ready to. Okay. Us.
Os!
Okay, enough for today. See you the next practice. Okay.
Os say.